What's up, gang? How we doing? I need to put this on my story. How is everybody doing today? Live trading. Run it. Run it. Let me fix this. Boom. Okay. Anybody take any trades today? Any trades? Any trades? We got a fifth. I'm in longs right now on the Dow, but pay attention to the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. We have this 5-minute IFEG. We have this 5-minute IFEG on the S&P 500 here. I'm closing a piece of my position off on YM at 49,765. We could be this is looking good on NQ here if we close above and confirm this breaker in 5 minutes. I do like the draw and where price is heading to. This looks pretty good. So far it's moving very nice. I need to share this in the Discord. Why isn't this copying over? 47. It's not staying on my. Boom. Boom. You're in the ES longs. That's good too. What's your position should probably look like this. ES longs like this. I believe this is a 1-to-1. 1-to-2 is here. That was a great candle closure on what's it called? On NASDAQ. That was really good there. Trading into that order block is well, down close candle breaker-ish setup. It looks good. Both NQ and ES are finally giving it, which is really nice. And we're framing the longs out of a 4-hour key level, which is sweet. Out of the 4-hour key level. Let me say live trading at everyone. Wants to see. That was a beautiful. It was a late move today, but it's finally moving its move. Like we had this crazy chopped consolidation, but now it's actually finally dishing. This V shape was beautiful. Everything that I got, praise the Lord. It was just a late move, bro. To be honest with you. Literally just a late move. GuardianTV. Oh shit! Damn, it was loud. Loud as hell. What's up, bro? What is up? This is TP1. All right, fucker. Today, my loss. Today was my loss day. I was about 3% today on eval. You lost 3%? How? Yeah, you can. You could take 4 hour M5. I've been in YM, yeah. I've been in YM since like since the Ripper. ES and NQ haven't provided an entry until now. ES on that M5 IFEG. Oh shit! Did I ever hit record? There is 6 minutes until this 15-minute candle closes, though, so that'll be a good tell. Shit. My first TP on YM is the hourly rejection block. And then all-time highs. But this isn't my my original stop loss was like down here. This is my adjusted stop. But I mean, honestly, no, it should be. I'm break even on the position now. I forgot to fix that. No, I'm not looking at GBP JPY. I'm sorry. We're leaving forex back in 2024. Actually, forex has been back in 2024. Like that thing hasn't been touched in a while. It's been a long time. I'm not looking at gold. Gold didn't tag the daily gap, so I'm not looking at it. If it's not tagging a higher time frame key level, I don't want it. If it's just going to keep on going and running, so be it. I can't be bothered with that. It'll offer something down the line. Bingo. No SMT. So no trade. You know the vibe. Come on, YM. Give me a little bit more juice. A little bit more juice. Should see NQ and ES pop too. I'm so close. There's no SMT at that daily gap. Doesn't matter. No SMT, there's no trade. That's my rule. It will always be my rule. That will always be my rule. I'm gonna aggressively trail my stop loss on the Dow. That's actually crazy money. So 1 minute. Okay, here. I'm gonna do this. 3. Boom. Take that away. That's good. I like that. Perfect. Damn. NQ and ES need to figure it out. How about that overnight move, though? That overnight move is wild, right? I dragged my stop on the Dow to this 5-minute swing low. Put this shit in profit. Put that shit in profits. Ow. Yeah, I mean, for NQ and ES's sake, those moved like monster trucks overnight. So what happens after an overnight expansion typically comes consolidation. Like price will accumulate. We already ran previous daily high. If we were to go higher, it would be from here. It has to be from here. First try. Bop. I took it on ES. everything I got. Praise the Lord. Gideon, can I play music? Is that like cool with like the YouTube channel or no? Why the hell would we reverse from here? Please let me know. Do what before? Mercedes by a million. Sorry. Mercedes. Benny. What did Nick take? Oh, Nick is on ES2. Nice. I want a good 5-minute candle closure here. I want a good 5-minute candle closure. Come on. Close above the high. Close above this high, confirming a breaker. That'd be even better. Close above that high. Yeah. It's all right. Dude, I'm so close to fucking YMTP. Come on, baby. What's up, OG? Yeah, I'm still in YM. I want fucking that hourly rejection block at 49,765, but my stop is trailed in profit at 584. Yeah, bro, trading is fucking boring. I'm playing music. Hey, Alexa, play Don't Kill the Party by Ty Dolla $ign and Disco Lines.
Sure. Here's a station based on Don't Kill the Party by Ty Dolla $ign, Disco Lines, and others.
Hey, Alexa, shut up. Fucking stupid. She got it wrong. I could probably just play it off of my TV, can I? Yeah, I just played off my TV. Alexa's too stupid. That thing is going to grow arms and legs and beat my ass one day. I swear. Fire, OG. I think I'm going to close full on YM when it takes this high. Like, that's damn near 300 fucking points. My 1-to-1 on ES is here. And my 1-to-2 is here. I need to make sure that I'm managing this properly. Okay. And then I need to make sure. All right, I need to manage this properly on YM. Okay. Actually, no. I'm going to leave a runner. Fuck it. I'm going to leave a runner. Make sure that this limit is improper. Just below it, right there. All right, okay. That's proper. And then the last runner will be there. Okay. All right, I'll take that. Yeah, my runner will be here. Gold does not have value, bro. Please. Please. Don't even look at gold. Gold is trash. There's no SMT on the daily. Unless price goes to this daily gap, I don't care about it. Trust me. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Dude, these rappers doing mixes with DJs is actually fire. Yeah, so I basically bought YM at the retrace and the reaction from that 15-minute bullish order block here. I was looking to buy when it was going to confirm the order the breaker and add more, but it didn't, is what it is. But I put myself in a positional entry when we had this like 5-minute fair value gap aligned with the 5-minute breaker and the 15-minute order block. So that was enough for me. That was enough for me. A little bit higher, baby. Isn't that shit fire? Head off. Realistically, you don't want this 5-minute candle to close like this. Because this 15-minute candle, you want it to, realistically, you want it to close above the highs. Otherwise, it's going to do some fuck all bullshit. Because there's SMT now at these highs. Opening of that 5-minute candle is flat, though, on ES for the people that are in either of these two. God, I've been in this YM trade for the longest fucking time, bro. Possibility. Yeah, I already did, but I'll do it again. Hold on. Did I get out? Did I take a piece off? Yes, there we fucking go. Holy fucking bomb, bro. That was a fucking nuke piece on YM. I just took a partial on YM there. Wow, that was huge. Holy shit, that was so many fucking points. That was a monster trade on the Dow. That was huge. Now I have one runner contract on the Dow to the highs. That's fire. That is fire. Let's go. Head off. That was a horrible video. Fuck. Yeah, so basically the Dow Jones was framed from the 15-minute order block right here that the reaction came from, and then the 5 minutes had a bullish breaker aligned with a fair value gap that I put a positional entry on early. My full position would have been on if we had a 15-minute breaker here, but we only had the 5 minute, so I still added in there. We had an SMT at the run of London lows, and we had a V shape out of it. Song is ass. Now I'm holding runners to all-time highs. Runners to all-time highs. Why is this not playing, bro? Nice. Nice. Can't be depressed. Can't be defeated. Bitch better match my speed. Bro, why is this not playing on my fucking TV, bro? I want to hear Timothy Chalamet. Damn it, I fucked up. Sipping on bourbon. Horrible. Like 4 rolls. Why do I expect all-time highs? I want you to do yourself a favor and just look at the 15-minute time frame on the Dow Jones and tell me what that looks like from a very beginner perspective. From the highs to the retracement to how price has been building from this point on. This is like first grade level ICT. Tell me right now what this looks like. What is this? What is this diagram right here? Someone in the chat tell me. Someone in chat tell me what this is. You guys are smart. Thank you. Market maker buy model, right? We are on the sell side of the curve here. What does the sell side of the curve do? Reaches into a higher time frame key level right here. What do? We have a smart money reversal. Then price does what? We initiate the buy model, and then we have an accumulation stage here with a run of the session lows from London. Run that SMT between NQ and ES, V-shaped recovery after that for an intraday opportunity to then capitalize on price to then run higher with reaccumulation within the 15-minute gap here. Very, very simplistic process and view. That's like elementary school ICT. Flawless. Not SPX. I longed ES. I don't trade CFDs. I might drag my stop to the 5-minute swing low here and trail that. Low key. Actually, no, I'm not. I don't trade. I never trade. I don't trade CFDs. I haven't traded CFDs in years. I don't really talk too much about it, but I will announce when it is open. Shit. Closure above a down close candle that runs a short-term low with SMT, or a closure below a down close candle, or sorry, closure above a down close candle that runs a short-term low that has SMT, or a closure below a up close candle that runs a short-term high that has SMT. I got him playing with the mix. What? Why you stop market breakdown on Sunday? What are you talking about? Yes, there's a giveaway at the end of the stream. How is it already 11:40? Holy shit. Wanna hear love songs. Dude, that's what I'm saying, Vig. Please. Bum, 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 bum. A long night. I'm in here. Long night. Been a long night. Vig, I'm seeing Prosper and Josh Baker. Or Josh Baker? Yeah, hold on. I'll show you. Josh Baker and fucking Prosper back to back is gonna be so fire. It's been a long, long night. My bad. I'm turning them off. Why would I say the word for the giveaway before I do the giveaway? What? Y'all are interesting. Right. Mayor my world alone. Let's play some Ranger Truco. Try and miss. The word is get more bitches. How about that? Watching me. Me. New Jersey. Me. I'm in New Jersey. Watch me. I will be traveling to Europe in the summer months. Looking to take time there in July. I just got back from Mexico. I have another trip that I'm going to in the end of February, going to Aspen, Colorado. Bringing that shorty with me right there. I'll be in Dubai eventually. I'll probably make my way there this year sometime. Dude, this chart is literally giving me eye aids. Come on, play my songs. Come on, yes. Make any promises. I'm getting another tattoo today, actually. My sniper tattoo is here. Now I'm forced to make shit work, you heard? You guys didn't know that I had a sniper tattoo? That's just on my body forever. It's the exact same. It's literally it's the logo perfect. It's my favorite tattoo. I know you've seen it, Big. Useless. Mm-mm. I have this arm is like pretty fucking filled. I got this. Make choices that reflect your hopes, not your fears, right here. And then I got this dove with a like a bullseye thing. And then this is like a broken pillar. And then this is like some sort of like aesthetic thing. I don't know really what it is. This is Memento Mori. This is the Icarus falling. And then this says never a failure, always a lesson. And then this is Romans 8:18 with swords going through it, which is the pain you go through now does not compare to the joy that is coming. Yo, I'm taking a piece off at a 1-to-1 risk to reward, by the way, guys. Because I bought minis. I'm pretty balls to the wall on this right now. That's too heavy. Yeah, bro, trade futures and fucking pick up a Blue Guardian futures account. It's the easiest accounts to trade with. You use code YouTube at checkout, you get 60% off. You guys know Ziz? Like that hard style shit? Bro, I have so many of like the remixes with him, like on my fucking SoundCloud. Like this. Bro, what is that fucking drop? The Aesthetic King. Here, hold on. I'm gonna take a piss. My trading resting peace. Ralph said hi. She is saying Ralph is cooler than you. Who is she? When did I meet T Trades, bro? I've known T since he'd had like 2,000 followers on Twitter. I've known T for fucking years, bro. Bro, I'm like fucking unking the space. I've been around since the jump. When ICT first dropped his 2022 mentorship. This my jet of my shoes. What the hell? I do have a psychology video dropping. I have a vlog dropping from Tulum. I have a bunch of shit coming. That's fire. I have a lot of shit coming, yo. And then the educational thing to finish off my series for my model. And then next week, since I felt really shitty this week, and I'm finally feeling better, I'm going to be live trading on YouTube. So I secured 2R on this long at this TP1, and then it's roughly about like 2.7 to the highs. But I'm still in ES right now. Let's do this giveaway. Zanny, hold the pain up, please. Zanny, make it go away. All right, I got it. I'm gonna call it in 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All-time highs. All-time highs. 3 words. All right, I got the 2. All right, it's Ayush JHA G4B and then Maddox 18. Right there, those 2. Right there. OG, you were right below. But you also said AT. You said ATH. And it's all-time highs with the S at the end. Someone said all-time miles. But open up those tickets in the Blue Guardians Futures Discord. Get those handled. You'll get your account issued to you, and you will be all set and squared to go. But in regards to the trade, set and forget the position. It's a slow grind, but structure's aligning itself with the draw. So hopefully price can end up playing out and panning to how we think it will. If you guys have any questions, I'll see you again in the next live stream on Tuesday. And then also pay attention, have notifications on for when I do YouTube lives as well. That's going to be very important because I'm figuring out scheduling for that. So have notifications on. But be safe, y'all. Deuces, and I will talk to you guys all later on. Take care, everyone.